Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. It's Diamond Denise here. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. If you are not new, thank you for being loyal. All right, so I'm not gonna ramble. You guys already know what this video is about. Welcome to another day in Vlogmas. Let's get it going. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with my Baby Skin Primer. I love this primer. I've used it forever. It's an instant pore eraser and I think it really does just what it says it is going to do. My pores are gone. And I just rub this over in my entire face. Now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I like to put this on my face first just to help diminish the shine that I may experience throughout the day. I could not decide on which foundation to use. I always want to try a new foundation, but I end up sticking with my Maybeline foundation. This is the 24-hour foundation, and it is in the color 312. I don't use much foundation, but I just take what I need, and I just kind of rub it on my face very lightly. I'm living in Florida, guys, so I feel like I don't want my face to be super heavy because 9 times out of 10, it is super hot here. I love my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the color medium. I put this under my eyes and anywhere I want to add just some highlights to my face. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend everything out just so it looks seamless. And now I'm going to take that same translucent setting powder and I'm going to put that everywhere that I put highlight just so the highlight is set, it does not move, and it stays. Now I'm going to take my Too Faced bronzer. I don't remember the color that I have, guys. I've had it forever, but Too Faced has some great bronzers. Y'all, okay, if y'all, I'm watching cooking videos. That's why I'm over here making all these faces. If y'all don't know, y'all need to follow Smoking and Grilling with AB. Let me see if this will focus. Here, come on. They need to see him. They need to see him. Smoking and Grilling with AB. Okay, you're not gonna be able to see it because oh, maybe it won't. But y'all, look at all these cooking videos. Oh, what? I'm about to be trying some of them. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take that bronzer that I use and I'm going to dust off the excess powder and I'm gonna swipe the powder around my forehead. I really wanted to add a natural glow to my face, and it kind of just helps your face look more toned and even. You definitely want to bring the powder on your cheekbones and under your jawline. Next, I'm going to take my blush. This is a MAC blush, and this is in the color Ambering Rose. So you want to take the blush on a nice big fat brush, and you just want to blend from your cheekbones up to your ears and just blend out so you have a nice rosy cheek. Now I'm going to take my highlighter, and I've got this highlighter from Ulta. This is in the color Shimmer Brick Radiant, and it's by Revolution. I usually just hit like the top of my cheeks, and I hit my nose. Sometimes I'll hit my forehead, and sometimes I'll hit my lip. I'm taking my eyelashes. These are my favorite Allure eyelashes. These are the faux mink lashes, and you have to make sure that they are really tacky before you actually stick them on your eye. The tackier they are, the better they will actually stick. And once they're on nice and neat, I usually just use a MAC mascara just to blend them evenly with my real eyelashes. Now I'm going to take this lipstick, this liquid lipstick, and this is by Anastasia, and this is in the color Kristen. It's a lip gloss. I put it on. Originally I used Soar as a lip liner, and that's by MAC as well, but I went back in, as you can see, with Chestnut, which is the ultimate favorite. It goes with everything. I'm also taking my MAC lip gloss in the color Oyster Girl, and I'm just going to blend that out. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I think it turned out so cute. This is a very soft beauty glam, something that you can wear wherever you go, every day to work, or you can wear this when you're going out and have that natural looking glow to yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please leave some comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.